The chapter food our basic need which we have learnt is almost same as the first chapter of your book the food we eat. So we are moving on to the next chapter, the teeth. Our teeth are one of the strongest parts of our body. They are made from proteins and minerals. Teeth have different shapes depending on their purpose. Each type of tooth has a name and a specific function. Our teeth are an important part of our body. Our teeth help us to bite, tear, and grind food. Our teeth also give shape to our face. They also help us to smile and speak. We get two sets of teeth in our lifetime, temporary and permanent teeth. Temporary teeth. The temporary teeth are called milk teeth. A newborn child has no teeth. Milk teeth begin to grow when a baby is about 6 months old and continue to grow for 3 years. We get 20 milk teeth in all, 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. 4 incisors, 2 canines and 4 molars. Young children do not have premolar teeth. Premolar teeth first appear as permanent teeth when children are 10 to 12 years old. Then permanent teeth. Milk teeth begin to fall one by one between the ages of 6 and 12. The teeth that grow in place of milk teeth are called permanent teeth. There are 32 permanent teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Then kinds of teeth. We have 4 kinds of permanent teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. The shape of each tooth helps it to carry out different functions. First, incisors. The chisel-shaped 4 front teeth in both the upper and lower jaws are called incisors. Incisors are flat but sharp at the ends. They help us to bite and cut food into smaller pieces. Incisors are the first teeth that a child gets. Incisors are also called anterior teeth. Both children and adults have 8 incisors. Then next, canines. On either sides of incisors there are sharp pointed teeth. These are called canines. There are 4 canines, 2 in each jaw. They help us to tear food into pieces. Dentists also call them cuspids or eye teeth. Canines are the longest of all the teeth. Both children and adults have 4 canines. Children usually get their first permanent canines between the ages of 9 and 12. Then premolars. There are 8 premolars, 4 in each jaw. They grow next to canines. They are wide and have ridges in them. They help us to cut and grind food. Then molars. At the back of the jaw there are 12 molars, 6 in each jaw. They are wider than premolars and have more ridges in them. They help us to crush and grind food before we swallow it. Children have 8 primary molars. The last molars to erupt are wisdom teeth or third molars, which usually come through between the ages of 17 to 21. These sit at the end of the row of teeth in the far corners of the jaw. Some people do not have all four wisdom teeth, or the teeth may stay unerected in the bone and never appear in the mouth. Wisdom teeth that only come through halfway or are in the wrong position can increase the risk for infection or damage in the surrounding areas. A dentist needs to remove wisdom teeth if a person has tooth decay, pain, or an infection. People do not need these teeth for chewing, and they are difficult to keep clean because of their position far back in the mouth. Then, structure of a tooth. Each tooth has two main parts, the crown and the root. This part is crown and lower part is called root. Separated by a thin narrow neck. Crown and root, these two parts are separated by neck. The crown is the top part of the tooth. It is seen above the gum. The root is the lower part of the tooth. It cannot be seen as it is inside the gum. It holds the tooth firmly in place. The neck is surrounded by the gum. A tooth has three layers. Number 1, the outer white layer is called the enamel. This part is called the enamel. The enamel is the hardest part of the body. Next, the middle layer of the tooth that is slightly yellow is called the dentine. This is softer than the enamel. The innermost layer of the tooth is called the pulp. This red part is called the pulp. The pulp is soft and has blood vessels and nerves. The nutrients reach the tooth through the blood vessels. Then question answers. Answer the following questions. Name the different kinds of teeth we have. Answer. We have 4 kinds of permanent teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Question number 2. What is the function of molars? Answer. Molars help us to crush and grind food before we swallow it. Question number 3. Name 3 layers of a tooth. Answer. A tooth has 3 layers. The outer white layer is called the enamel. The enamel is the hardest part of the body. The middle layer of the tooth that is slightly yellow is called the dentine. This is softer than the enamel. The innermost layer of the tooth is called the pulp. The pulp is soft and has blood vessels and nerves. The nutrients reach the tooth through the blood vessels. Then worksheet. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Milk teeth begin to grow when a baby is about -months old. Number 2. Teeth that help us to tear food into pieces are dash. Number 3. Premolars grow next to dash. Number 4. The dash is the hardest part of the body. And number 5, the innermost layer of the tooth is called the dash. Thank you.